This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Where are these clothes coming from?
Ma chérie, Samuel will help you. Worry not. Try it on, ma belle. It's the latest fashion.
Ouch.
Magnifique. And this jacket.
Sammy, stop it! These are Barbie's clothes.
Who's Sammy and who's that Barbie?
Is it a monster?
A monster!
Oh, hi! It was you! But what are you doing in Barbie's room?
Sue, leave these clothes alone. We need them.
But Barbie!
Yeah, I don't feel good taking Barbie's stuff.
Don't get upset. We'll make you your own clothes. Come with me.
How did it end up this way? I wanted to help.
Oh, my room! Sammy!
Look at these clothes. They're so bright and stylish. I wish I could have such clothes too.
Sue, these outfits are awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's cut them out now. Wow, these jeans are cute. Do you like them, friends?
Does my hat look like a rabbit's ear, Sue?
Sammy, I'm a rabbit too. But my ears are cuter.
That's funny, guys, but these are shorts, not ears.
Sammy, isn't this accessory cool? I love the color.
Seriously? The only good thing here is the color.
Look, friends, if you think these clothes are pretty, like this video.
Sue, do you think I'll become popular now?
Of course. Sammy, come here and show her.
Right here. Look at the graph. It's a detailed plan, and we will follow it. It'll make anyone famous. Point 1. We need a dress.
We've got 2, both of them absolutely stunning.
Point 2. Pants.
3 pairs of pants. Check.
And the third point, you gotta be kind. I didn't know how to draw kind, so I drew myself.
Right. Not your clothes, but your kindness is important. Let's change you into your new clothes.
Are you changing right here?
Yeah. Is it a problem?
Yes. Follow me, girls.
Oh.
Ta-da! Welcome to my glamorous changing room.
Thanks. This top looks great with these shorts. But how about adding accessories? For example, this bag. You can wear it to the gym.
Ah! I need a catwalk. Huh? Idea. Shoes off. Perfect.
I love this wig on you. So stylish. Now we need to dress you. I think this top will look great with this skirt. Awesome.
Accessories, ma chérie?
Thanks. We'll use this bright phone as an accessory. You look great. A new hairstyle and new clothes. You can wear this outfit to a theater or a restaurant. I love this blue hair. It suits you and makes you look like a mermaid.
These makeovers inspired me to change my hairstyle. Oh, look. We're ready for the show. Psst, guys, pay attention.
Bravo, bravo, bellissimo.
I love my new clothes, but where shall I keep them?
Don't worry, I have a plan. You're gonna like it.
We can keep all your clothes in this truck. I'm sure they'll fit.
No truck, Sammy. I've got a better idea.
Even better?
We'll need a few pieces of cardboard. They will turn into a nice and spacious wardrobe.
Shiver me, Cheddars. It's boring. It looks like a plain box.
Sammy, our crafts are never boring. You'll see, we'll make it bright. Just wait a bit.
Woohoo! I found a beach towel. It means... Ouch!
It's not a towel, it's a wall.
Sue, I've just realized that I need this box more. You see, I've collected so many sweets. I want to keep them here.
I'll make another box for you, for all your sweets. But this one is going to be a beautiful wardrobe.
Sue, how could you forget about the doors?
Sammy, I didn't. This is the first door. It can open and close. And that's how we can keep it in place.
Wow, we're using masking tape as door hinges.
That's right, Sammy. Voila! It opens and closes.
Sue, I've prepared beautiful wallpaper for the wardrobe.
Wow, Sammy, now it looks much better.
And another piece? Aren't I efficient, huh? I didn't forget about the top part either.
Wow, Sammy, great job. It's gonna be so pretty. Sammy, where's the rest?
Will be delivered in a moment. How could it happen? Sue, we've run out of this paper. There's no more.
Huh? But how will we finish our wardrobe? We can't leave it like this.
Oh, what do we do now? Maybe instead we could draw something on the wardrobe.
A draw? Have I heard correctly? Finally! I'm the person you need. Sit down, please. We'll start with your portrait.
Wow, I'll hang it in my bedroom.
What a profile. Lovely. Let's get down to work.
I like your approach, but I'd better go.
A bit of pink? Huh? No, wait. Please relax. I'll use gummies to color the portrait.
Using gummies for coloring? Is it safe?
Of course, there's nothing to be afraid of.
I can't believe I didn't know about gummy coloring. I must practice using this method. Yay! Only I could do it. Easy. Peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Sammy, I've brought markers to color. Huh? Wow! This wardrobe turned out so beautiful. Such bright colors, wonderful designs. Amazing! Love it!
Oh, you found my surprise? What do you think about the author's idea?
Stunning!
Let's fill it in.
Well, let's start with dresses.
Don't forget about hairstyles. They're parts of outfits.
You're right.
Wow, I can't believe my eyes.
We did our best.
My sunglasses! I've been looking for them everywhere.
Uh-oh, I'm toast.
Huh?
Hi, Barbie.
I've been looking for my stuff all day today.
Ask Sammy.
That's bad. How could I forget to ask for permission? Hey, are you laughing at me?
It's okay, but have you finished the wardrobe?
Yes, Sam will show you around.
Barbie, I'm so sorry. I should have asked.
I'll forgive you if you show me the wardrobe.
Yay!
Then, let's take a closer look at our Wonder Wardrobe.
Mabel, buy one. Win a trip to Paris. The most stylish clothes here.
This bag will match my gym clothes.
I saw it first. It has to be mine.
No, I've been dreaming of this dress.
Wow, I love good drama. Don't worry, ma chérie. We've got more. Uh-oh, I'd better hide.
Sammy, what's going on here? I don't get it.
Sue, good morning.
Do you know who is selling these clothes?
Uh-oh. No idea, Sue.
Everyone loves my clothes. That's amazing.
Your dress is so cute. Let's get some boba.
Sammy, look, your plan has succeeded.
Sure, thank you for inviting me. Let's go.
You're right. It has worked. Yay!
If you liked our doll style and her wardrobe, give this video a like.
And subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Magnificent! Oh, Olivia's going to love this!
Why did you make those sounds?
You know, to help the prince feel his power.
What power?
I'm ready!
Great. Okay, do exactly what I just did.
Oh,
Not bad for a first time. Try again.
no flour?
Oh, thank you, Lilac. Thank you, Cap. This looks exactly like the place where Norbert and I met. Unless this one was the exact setting, or that one. I'm so sorry. I can't remember one single detail. Don't worry, Princess. Why don't you close your eyes, relax, and think of the moment when you saw Prince Norbert for the first time. I haven't been able to find out a thing about where they met, and we only have until sunset. Any luck? Water. There was a sound of water when we met.
Oh, you must have met a duck pond!
new plan. Copy Daffodil instead. Daff?
This way, that way. Got it. Here we go. Ta-da!
Could you knit a little longer?
Whoa! Did I grow that moss?
Not really, but you're getting there.
What's going on?
Huh? What do you mean? What's going on? Nothing is going on.
Exactly. That's not normal. You're usually running all over the place making all sorts of stuff. Hi, everyone. What's going on?
Nothing. I don't know where everyone else is, but the village is very quiet. So I'm taking the time to rest.
Oh, it's such a nice day. Everyone must be out in the park. It's no time to be out. Just look at those clouds. It's definitely going to rain.
Thistle, you worry too much.
I'm going to go and find the others. You go back to relaxing, Thorn. I'll stay right here and warn you when it starts to rain.
I'm sure there's something I need to be doing somewhere.
No, this isn't the water sound I remember.
Maybe you met near Tadpole River. Lots of water sounds there. Like whoosh.
It was not a swish sound.
Maybe like a splooshy splooshy?
Cap, a princess doesn't make silly sounds.
If anyone's interested, I found an entry in the Prince's Royal Diary telling all about the day he met Lady Olivia.
I've been teaching you all wrong, Your Highness. Instead of trying to copy us, you need to come up with a magical move of your own.
My own. I'll try. Huzzah! Ready, steady, go!
Hi, Rose. We're teaching Prince Norbert how to grow a flower, so he can give it to Princess Olivia for the anniversary.
But a frog can't grow flowers like a lilybird. It's impossible.
Really? Uh-oh.
Rose, I'm about to show off my very own magical move. Moss has been a wonderful teacher.
Your Majesty, I have something to tell you.
I have something to tell you too. When I said anyone could learn anything, I didn't mean that...
Prince Norbert, go ahead. I'd like to see what you can do.
I made a real flower grow. Did you all see?
It was wonderful.
Now you can pick this flower and take it to Princess Olivia and tell her that you grew it just for her.
Oh, I'll do better than that. I'm going to grow another one right before her eyes. I better get to the pond.
And you were sitting next to this flower and this mushroom. Now,
Oh, thank you all so much.
Olivia, here I am. Oh, hello, everyone.
They were helping me, my love.
I needed a little help too. What's this? You've created the exact setting of when we met. How romantic. And now, for my surprise. Ta-da! I don't understand. I was trying to...
Rain! That's the sound of water I remember. Just like the day we met. Oh, darling, you learned how to make it rain. How sweet.
Not as sweet as you, my darling. Shall we take a walk in the rain? Thank you both, but I think I should quit magic. My results are a little too... unpredictable.
I'm never gonna make a promise I can't eat again.
Me neither. Promise?